Hi, welcome to my channel. Day 28 of 3 words and expression of 100 day. As always, quick review. 作者 writer, 记者 reporter, 编辑 edit, 新闻 news, 银行 bank, 酒店 hotel, 鲜花 flower, 糖果 candy, 饼干 cookie, 问答 question and answer, 变态 abnormal, 走开 go away, 包裹 package, 下单 place order, 快递 express delivery, 裤子 pants, trousers, 鞋子 shoes, 勇敢 brave. Today let's learn 客服反馈前台。First one 客服。客服 means customer service. You can call our customer service if you have any questions. 有任何问题，请打电话给客服。客服。客服 is short for 客户服务。Customer 客服 service 服务。客服。Customer service. Next one 反馈。反馈 means feedback. Share your feedback in the discussion. 在讨论中分享你的反馈。反馈。反馈。又馈。feedback 反馈 feedback. Next one 前台。前台前台 means reception or front desk. Front desk 前台前 front 前台。台。I'm applying for the receptionist position. 我申请的前台工作。前台 front desk. 客服 customer service. 反馈 feedback. 前台 front desk. Okay, that's all for today. Let me know what do you want to add in your own DIY Chinese dictionary in a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Goodbye.